All right, let's talk about GPT-5 because I spent about 30 minutes with it, and what's coming is going to completely change how we interact with AI if you're a power user. If you thought GPT 4.0, 4.1, and oh 03 was impressive, you're not ready for this. We all know GPT-5 isn't just another incremental update, right? But from what I've experienced, I feel like OpenAI basically took their conversationalist models, like 4.1, 4.5, and merged them with oh 03 reasoning models into one unified system with recent training data. Very recent. Certain organizations on GPT Enterprise have been targeted for early access. My specific organization was not, but one of my customers was. Think of GPT-5 like combining something that can actually hold a real conversation, like a blend of 4.5's personality and 4.1 speed, with a methodical problem solver all in one. Maybe like combining Penny and Sheldon from The Big Bang Theory. Here's what makes it unified. Remember how sometimes we had to coach the GPT-4 base models to think step by step? Well, GPT-5 has that same chain of thought reasoning built right in. It automatically breaks down complex problems without you having to provide additional prompts. Honestly, it feels like the difference between teaching someone how to think versus talking to someone who already knows how to think or analyze. The multimodal capabilities seem to be next level too. You can upload a diagram, you can have it explain just not what it sees, but how it relates to the design you're working on and the entire conversation you've had in the entire chain. This is also something that isn't brand new. It's something we've had for a while if you're on Plus or Pro. But as we know, the more conversations you have inside the same session, the more flaky it gets. I didn't see that on 5. Leading into that, let's talk hallucinations. This has been an early leak, but I can confirm the integrated reasoning system seems to function very similar to oh 03 Pro, just faster. For those of us who rely on AI for professional types of work, this could change everything depending what you do. The prompt engineering strategies we've been using will probably need to evolve. Role-based prompting becomes more powerful because it actually maintains that expertise throughout the entire chat session. Honestly, the simple RTF framework, like role, task, and format, it really does become your best friend on getting exactly what you need from it, from what I've seen. Honestly, GPT-5 for the majority of chat users will seem almost like a blend of oh 04 Mini with web search, just faster. It's similar to Grok 4, right? It's better, it's faster, it's stronger, but vast majority of users won't be able to really take full advantage of it. However, if you're a heavy AI user who's very familiar with oh 03, oh 03 Pro Deep Research, you're going to be happy. You're going to be very happy. Make sure to give me a follow to stay up to date on all things GPT-5, AI news, tips and tricks, because it's going to be a very long next 30 days.